Hi game developer. Today we are creating a quick and simple day and night cycle in Unity. This feature can add immersion and atmosphere to your games. Let's dive in. Here I have a demo scene from Unity's URP 3D sample. You can use any scene from your own game and add a directional light to represent the sun. I will open another scene named Oasis from the same package. This scene has a beautiful sunlight and a landscape that we can use. Now create an empty game object and name it day-night controller. We will also create a folder for our scripts. Create a new mono behavior script and name it day-night controller. And attach it to the day-night controller game object. Open the script file in your editor. I am using Visual Studio here. First, we need to have a reference to our sunlight. Let's declare a serialized field and name it sun. We need to declare a float variable named day duration. This sets the length of a full day cycle in seconds. Here, it is set to 60 seconds by default. You can adjust it to your needs. We also declare two color variables, one for day and one for night. You can change this to any color you want. Finally, time of day. This represents the current time of day as a value between 0 and 1. 0.25 is used as a starting value to begin the cycle at dawn. 0.5 means noon and 0.75 means evening. In the update method, we increment the time of day based on delta time and day duration. We are using time.delta time for smooth movement. Next, we need to set time of day to 0 for continuous cycle in case it reaches 1. Now, we rotate the light based on the time of day. Time of day into 360F converts the 0 and 1 range to 0 to 360 degrees and subtract 90 to start the light at the horizon at dawn and Y to 170 for some tilt. To change the sunlight color, we can use color.lerp for linear interpolation function for color and mathf.pingpong for creating a blending and smooth back and forth transition between the colors. That's all about the code. Now let's see the result. First, We assign the light to our script field and hit play. Now the light is moving over the time and we can see the shadows moving along the light. Let's just move around and see. We can also inspect the light object and observe the color is gradually changing to night. You can adjust the settings to get better result. That's all for this video. Let's meet in another. Thank you.